Hi and welcome back. The Literacy Pro dashboard communicates the most important information about students' reading achievements. From the dashboard, you can directly access the following features: Navigation panel, alerts and class selections, student or class metrics, student progress bar, class weekly activity, in the last 30 days, recently assigned books, browse by categories, new arrivals. Let's check out the dashboard now. The navigation panel is located at the top of the page. Click here to access Dashboard, Library, Assessment, Reports, Settings. We will cover each of these pages with details in a separate video. Further to the right from the navigation panel, clicking on this icon will bring you to the submenu selections of the following: Benchmarks, Quick Start Guide, User Guide, Reports Guide, Video Guides, Metametrics, Logout. These provide additional information and guides on using Literacy Pro. On the top right-hand side of the page, you will also find the alert notifications and class selection buttons. Click on this to view the alerts or select which class data you wish to see. If you are assigned to one class only, it will be a default view with no selections. Let's click on the alert notifications first. This report shows your student's performance or activity outside the usual range of expectations. Click on the bubble speech icon to show the individual student's details on that particular activity. You can also view the student report card to get an overall reading assessment. Let's click X to close the alerts notification window and go back to the class selection. If you are assigned to more than one class, click the drop-down selection here to toggle between the classes. Otherwise, the default view here will show the name of the class. The student or class metrics scores provide a quick overview of the overall class quiz pass rate and average words read per week. Click on Quiz Pass Rate to open up the Class Quiz Class Rate report that will provide you with an overview of your class performance, such as the quiz pass rate of the class for all the quizzes the students have taken. Click on X to exit from the Quiz Pass Rate report page. Click on Average Words Read per Week to open up the Class Reading Report page that will provide you with an overview of your class performance. Click on X to exit from the Class Reading Report page. The Student Progress Bar indicates the proficiency based on the Lexile score of your students in the most recent Lit Pro test. Based on the benchmarks selected, students are categorized by students exceeding expectations, students doing well, students needing support, students needing immediate intervention. Click on the progression bar to display the results in a pie chart, graph, or listing format. You can also click on the printer icon to print this report, or click on the export icon to download the data in .csv format. Click on X to close the page. Let's take a look at the class weekly activity chart. Click on the drop-down menu and select if you wish to see the activity report on words read, books read, number of quizzes, quiz pass rate. The light blue section shows the student-initiated activities, and the dark blue section shows the teacher-assigned activities. You can also go back to the beginning of the year to see the weekly progress. In the last 30 days, you can see the class's top reading interests and the overall book ratings. Clicking on either one of the sections will bring you to the library page. The next part of the Literacy Pro dashboard shows the recently assigned books. These books are displayed in a book card format. Click on this icon on the top right corner of each book card to flip and reveal more details about these assigned books, such as book title, author, interest category, Lexile level, word count, number of pages, how many students have been assigned or completed this book, average score, quiz pass rate. You can also click on the Read button to read this book, or click on Assign to assign this book. We'll cover more details about the library and how to assign ebooks in a separate video. When you click on See All, it will bring you to the library page. Moving on, we have the Browse by categories. There are 4 cards in this section. Books are organized in these 4 categories for easy access. They are Interactive Read Alouds, Read and think. Social emotional learning. STEM, which is for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. When you click on each category, it will bring you to the library page in Literacy Pro with pre-selected filters that resonate with these categories. The last part of the teacher's dashboard shows the new arrivals. They are categorized based on these 4 cards: book collections, teaching resources, fiction, nonfiction. When you click on each category, it will bring you to the library page in Literacy Pro with pre-selected filters that resonate with these categories. Thank you for your time in watching this video. If you need more help or guidance on Scholastic Literacy Pro, reach out to your account manager or Scholastic customer service and we'll assist you further. Have a good day.